in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Now decide if you want to get rid of your photos from pictures or one of your albums sections. Let's start with albums. Tap on the chosen one, hold one of your photos, and to select multiple right away, click on all at the top left corner. Now you need to tap on all of your photos you wish to leave, and to delete the rest, use the delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To delete your photos from Pictures section, after tapping on it, you need to hold one as well. But this time you can click on those dots at the top left corners, or select all at the top left corner as well. Tap on your photos you wish to leave, and delete the rest thanks to the same button at the bottom. Confirm your choice in the pop-up. Quick tip: if you made any mistakes and deleted one of your pictures you wanted on your device, you can scroll down on the left, tap on the recycle bin, hold your photo, and to restore it, click on Restore button at the bottom on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!